Welcome back, everybody. Today, I'm going to teach you how to use the Look Inside feature on Amazon. This handy tool lets you preview a book before buying it, so you can check out the writing style, table of contents, and sample pages to make sure it's exactly what you're looking for. Let's jump right in. First, open your web browser and head over to Amazon.com. Once the page loads, go ahead and sign into your account. Make sure you're logged in so you can access all the features Amazon has to offer. After you've signed in, you'll be taken to Amazon's homepage where you can start searching for books. Now click on the search bar at the top of the page. This is where you'll type in the book title or author you're interested in. Once you've entered your search terms, press enter or click the search icon to begin the search. Amazon will then display a list of results matching your query. From the search results, browse through the options and click on the title or image of the book you want to preview. This action will take you directly to the book's product page, where you'll find all the details about that particular book, including pricing, reviews, and most importantly, the preview feature. On the book's product page, focus your attention on the large book cover image. This is usually positioned prominently on the left side of the page. If the Look Inside option is enabled for that book, you'll notice a button or label that says Look Inside or Read Sample, either directly on the cover itself or just below it. Not every book has this feature, but most popular titles and newer releases do. Go ahead and click on that Look Inside button. This will open an interactive preview window where you can actually flip through sample pages of the book. Amazon typically allows you to view the front cover, table of contents, first few chapters, and sometimes even the index or back matter. It's a great way to get a real feel for the book before committing to a purchase. Once the preview window is open, simply scroll down to navigate through the available pages. You can move forward and backward through the sample, zoom in on text if needed, and really explore what the book has to offer. Take your time browsing through the preview to ensure it matches your expectations and interests. And there you have it. You've successfully used the Look Inside feature on Amazon to preview a book before making your purchase decision. This tool is incredibly useful for avoiding buyer's remorse and finding exactly the right book for your needs. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, subscribe, and see you in the next video.